These YouTube channels about dark and horror stories making over thousands of dollars per month just by not showing their faces. Oh, and if we include their weekly sponsorships, they are likely making closer to $30,000 per month. In today's video, I'll teach you how to use AI to edit scripts and making a YouTube channel without showing your faces, or simply you can say a automation channel. I'll also give you a helpful tips that might inspire many people with regular jobs to consider a change. I won't just tell you how to do it, I'll also try it out and show my entire experience in future videos so you can watch and see what happens. This video is packed with useful information, so please watch it all. Every step is crucial for success. First, let me clarify the business idea so you can understand what we will going to talk about in this video. In case you are not familiar, YouTube pays its creators when viewers watch their videos. Many creators are regular folks who spend time making videos. This business concept will show you how to benefit from this and automate your YouTube channel if you don't have much time for research and editing your contents. You can create a YouTube channel using AI and earn lots of money per month without showing your face. In the previous example, the channel was making thousands of months by talking about dark and horror stories, which is popular because people enjoy scary stories and it's easy to make similar contents. Let me demonstrate how easy it is to write video scripts. We will be using chatGPT, which is simple to use if you haven't used it before. Else, you can decide your own niche based on the trend. But for now, I am going with the horror niche. So let's get started. All you need to do is tell chatGPT what YouTube video idea you have in mind, and it will write a script for you. For example, I have asked chatGPT to find the top 5 true horror stories. Next, I'll pick one of these stories and ask chatGPT to write at least 400 words about them. As you can see, when you're making a YouTube channel without showing your face, this is usually the part that takes the most time. So having a tool like this is really helpful. To make things quicker, chatGPT has already written the whole YouTube script for us. You can even ask it to create an interesting start for your video and explain the topic. If you want to add more details to any part, you can copy that part and ask chatGPT to make it longer. This will help you make longer videos, and when your videos are longer, people spend more time watching them. When more people watch your videos, you can earn more money. But now you have to choose how to present your script. You can either record yourself speaking it like I am doing, or hire someone else to do it for you, or use AI to create a voice for your script. Personally, I think real human voices connect better with people, but using AI can save your time. I'll show you how to use AI once you have made your YouTube videos longer. So for the voice part, you can visit 11 Labs. What's great about 11 Labs is that you can choose the tone of voice you want. I need a strong and clear voice, and it should be soothing and deep for story narration. So I would go with this one. So I'll set it like this. Here's how it sounds when I do that.
Are the hearts that can bend, they shall never be broken.
So now we will just copy our whole story from ChatGPT and we will paste it in 11 Labs. After pasting, we will just click on this generate button. Now it will take some time and generate an dubbed audio. Once the dubbing has been done, you can click here to download the audio file. Now let's add some images to our video using AI only, as the whole video is about to create a faceless channel using AI. So for image generation, we will go to leonardo.AI. Basically, in these kinds of AI image generator like Midjourney and Leonardo and many more, you need to enter some image prompts which will be in the form of text. You can get these image prompts from ChatGPT only based on the storylines and the requirement. So go to ChatGPT and write give me picture ideas based on the below story. And boom, ChatGPT will generate image prompts and you can simply copy and paste it in Leonardo and compare your desired results. If you don't like the result, you can do some changes in the image prompts on your own and generate new results. Also, if you want a deep video on leonardo.ai on how to use this, then comment below. So for now, we will quickly download images and move to next step. So our next step is to add background music. You can go to any copyright free background music site and download music for your horror videos. because without music it won't be much attractive. Also, we will need an eye-catching thumbnail, which I have downloaded from Leonardo itself. Just I'll edit this in Canva and will post it with the video. Now we have all the ingredients to make tasty video. Now we just need a mixer which will mix all the ingredients for us. A video editor. I use CapCut for my editing. If you are professional and love video editing, I would advise to choose Premiere Pro, otherwise you can go for CapCut also. Although it's free, I always prefer free for learning perspective. So now we will mix all the images, voiceovers and sounds in CapCut. I am doing it quickly in CapCut. These are just basic things. You just need to drag and drop everything and all effects and transitions are here. You can add it in your footage simply. So now our video is ready, which looks like this.
Once upon a chilling autumn evening in the heart of a small American city, two adventurous teenage girls named Lily and Emily stumbled upon an abandoned house, which was lightning from inside after so many years. A curiosity brought up inside the girls to know why the sudden lightning is there in this abandoned house. Its eerie silhouette loomed in the fading light of the day, its windows shattered and its paint peeling like 1,000 crooked smiles. Into the ominous abode, an icy draft. Emily looked at herself and shivered as she saw something move behind her reflection. She turned around but saw nothing unusual. Even more unsettling, they discovered a child's room untouched by time. The toys scattered across the floor seemed to beckon them, almost as if they were waiting for their young owner to return.
If you love what you're doing, you will be successful. Keep improving yourself. To explore again, I'll be updating you on how this project goes in future videos. So make sure to like and subscribe to keep an eye on how it does. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day everyone.